Hey guys, this is Zephyr for my YouTube channel Positive Academy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a book called Ikigai. Now, this is an amazing book. It shows us how to live a life longer. It has different sections. This is the graph of Ikigai, where the author clearly explains what you love, your mission, your passion, your profession, your vocation, how you can turn your passion into money. What is the secret of living a long life? It is well explained in this book, Ikigai. Now, here the book explores the people who are just living more than the actual age. They tend to live more because of the habits that they are having in their day-to-day life. It is said that Japanese people live longer because they follow this Ikigai, and they eat only 80% of the stomach when it is filled. They serve the plates in different proportion so that they can eat less as compared to the full capacity of our stomach, and in that way they can live longer. They also involve fruits and vegetables. I already made a video, are you eating to live or to die? Now, I already told that in order to live well, you need to eat plant-based diet, the organic diet, the foods that are God-made, not man-made. Avoid or get rid of processed foods, junk foods. They are not serving your body. But go for plant-based diet, which are having living enzymes, which supports your body function and supports the functioning of the body in an optimum way. So this book, I will be mentioning the link in the description. You can go for the Kindle edition or you can buy a paperback. This is an amazing book, and from that book only I will relate to one of the character. Today I was just watching videos about Michael Jackson, and Michael Jackson was a person who had a plan to live 150 years. Now I am relating this to the mention because it discusses the age factor in this book, so I thought why not to share the story of Michael Jackson. So he was planning to live about 150 years, but not everything you plan for or you wish for is accomplished unless the God has the wish for it. Though people believe your wish is my command, rule of attraction, but not everything what you think and believe happens. There is more supreme power than us. The best example is that of coronavirus right now prevailing, COVID-19. We cannot control anything. There is nothing in our control right now what is going on. So we need to give that power to the supreme God, and through that only everything can be possible. Now, this Michael Jackson was born in 1958, and in 59 years span only he expired due to heart attack. And he has tried to change his identity, just like a lot of people on the social media are changing their identity. They are not actually the person that they are in the real life, and they are changing and wearing a particular mask and behaving in certain way so that the world will see them in a different way. Few days back also I have an example of a celebrity who is posting amazing pics and having a great life on social media, but when he or she is interviewed, he or she is having drug addict, full of drug, not living the life to the fullest, having depression, anxiety, fear, all those negative feelings inside. Alright, so the world is not what you see. There are so many truths which are being hidden. Right now also on coronavirus, there are certain things which are not being declared, which are not being made public. They are hidden from you. But I encourage you to live without fear. Let love guide you, not fear. Support everyone, build a community, support each other. In that way you can fight this pandemic and the circumstances that are prevailing right now in this tough situation. A lot of people are wearing masks right now due to this disease spread, but in actual life also there are certain people who are wearing masks. Remember, celebrity are the simple person only, just like ourselves. They also have emotions, they also have different type of feelings, so there is nothing that make them special, right? So Michael Jackson, regarding this lifespan, I was talking about how he believed to live about 150 years, and due to that he has taken so many steps. There were about 12 to 15 doctors at his home place taking care of him. Whatever he eats was checked before, and then only he took that meal after checking only. So that was the precautions he used to take while living. But ultimately there are also different other incidents that happened in his life which made his life difficult, which led to drug addiction, which led to fear, anxiety, depression. He was having a skin disease also, and due to that plastic surgery has been done to him several times in his career. But he was an amazing person. I bet that no one other person would be ever developed in this world such as Michael Jackson. He has built his own legacy. He can do anything. He thought that money can buy anything, but remember, money cannot buy anything. The actual happiness, the actual wealth is how you feel inside and not outside. The other things such as fame, glory, expensive cars, luxurious lifestyles are your just outlook. They are just the mask, but actual what you are inside matters. So Michael Jackson inside was not that much secure, not that much good, though he is having so much wealth. So I am trying to say that wealth is not what really matters. What matters is how you feel inside. Your emotional intelligence, EQ, is the thing which matters. I hope you are enjoying this content. Right, buy this book Ikigai. It will help you to become the greatest version. So if you are new, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity, and remember, you are the creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multi-dimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.